Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're exploring RFID tag tracking and how it can improve inventory management. Whether you're new to this technology or looking to implement it in your business, this guide will walk you through the essentials. In this video, I will show you how RFID tags work and what makes them different from barcodes, the two main types of tags and when to use each, practical benefits you can expect, and real examples from businesses using RFID successfully. Let's get started. RFID stands for Radio Frequency Identification. At its core, it's a way to identify and track objects using radio waves instead of visual scanning. Here's what makes it interesting. Unlike barcodes that need to be visible and scanned directly, RFID tags communicate with readers wirelessly. You can read a tag even when it's inside a box, tucked in a pocket, or stacked among other items. The tag itself contains a small chip and antenna that stores information about the item. When a reader sends out radio waves, the tag responds with its stored data. This happens automatically, without anyone needing to point, scan, or even see the tag. And maybe you're wondering, why does this matter? Here's an example. Imagine conducting inventory counts in a fraction of the time, or automatically tracking items as they move through your facility. That's the practical advantage RFID brings to everyday operation. Every RFID system has three essential parts working together. The tag stores your item's information. It can be attached to products, embedded in labels, or built into durable enclosures for challenging environments. The antenna sends and receives radio signals. It extends the communication range between tags and readers, making the system more flexible. The reader captures signals from tags, decodes the information, and sends it to your inventory software for processing. When these components work together with good software, you get real-time visibility into your inventory that traditional methods simply can't match. Choosing the right tag depends on your specific situation. Here are the two main types. These are the workhorses of the RFID world. They don't have batteries. Instead, they draw power from the reader's radio waves. This makes them inexpensive, often under $1 per tag, is long-lasting, no batteries to replace, also compact and lightweight, and ideal for read ranges up to about 40 feet. They're perfect for retail inventory, library books, access cards, and similar applications. These tags have their own battery power, which gives them different capabilities like longer read ranges, up to 300 feet or more, the ability to transmit signals independently, support for sensors, temperature, motion, etc. But they are more expensive than the passive tags, typically $10 to $50 per tag. You'll find active tags tracking shipping containers, vehicles, high-value equipment, and other assets that need long-range monitoring. How to choose the best option for you? Easy. Consider your read range requirements, budget, and whether you need additional features like sensors. For most inventory applications, passive tags are sufficient and more economical. Let's look at the practical advantages you can expect. Better accuracy. Manual inventory counts are prone to human error. RFID automates data collection, resulting in fewer mistakes and more accurate inventory records. Many businesses report accuracy improvements from 60 to 70% to over 95% after implementing RFID point. Faster operations. Reading multiple tags simultaneously significantly speeds up inventory processes. What might take hours with manual counting or barcode scanning can often be done in minutes with RFID. Your team can redirect that saved time to more valuable activities. Cost savings over time. Yes, there's an upfront investment in tags, readers, and software. However, businesses typically see returns through reduced labor costs, less inventory shrinkage, fewer stockouts, and decreased overstocking. Many organizations report return of inversion within 1 to 2 years. Better customer experience. Real-time inventory visibility helps you fulfill orders more accurately and quickly. You will know exactly what you have, where it is, and can get it to customers faster. Here's how different industries are using this technology. Retail. Zara tags their clothing items to maintain highly accurate inventory counts. This helps them restock popular items quickly, reduce theft, and conduct inventory counts in stores in just hours instead of days. Their inventory accuracy reportedly reaches 98%. Logistics. JAS Italy, a logistics provider, uses RFID to track packages through their warehouses. After implementation, they eliminated cargo loading errors, achieving complete accuracy in package verification and significantly reducing delivery delays. Healthcare. During the pandemic, some healthcare systems used RFID to track vaccine shipments, monitoring lot numbers, quantities, and expiration dates. This ensured vaccines were stored properly and used before expiring, while maintaining detailed records for regulatory compliance. Manufacturing. Automotive manufacturers track parts and assemblies through production lines, ensuring the right components are used in each vehicle and maintaining quality control records automatically. These examples show RFID's versatility across different operational challenges. The hardware is only half the equation. Your RFID system needs to connect with software that can process and act on the data it collects. Modern cloud-based inventory management systems offer several advantages, like access your data from anywhere, scale as your business grows, integrate with existing systems, ERP, WMS, e-commerce platforms, and generate reports and analytics automatically. When evaluating software options, look for solutions that are designed to work with RFID from the ground up, like Shipedge and similar platforms. The right software will help you realize the full potential of your RFID investment. If you're considering RFID for your business, here are some practical first steps. Start with a pilot program in one area of your operation to learn what works. Calculate your potential ROI based on labor savings, error reduction, and efficiency gains. Choose the right tag type for your specific application. Select reliable hardware from established vendors. Ensure your software is ready to handle RFID data. RFID technology has matured significantly and become more affordable. It's no longer just for large corporations. Businesses of all sizes are finding ways to benefit from automated tracking. I hope this guide has given you a clear understanding of how RFID tag tracking works and how it might benefit your operations. Would you like to explore any specific aspect in more detail? Read our RFID blog at www.shipedge.com and find how you can grow your business with easy technology implementation. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.